We're doing smoked chicken noodle soup, heat of the drum style. This should be good. Welcome back to Heat of the Drum. My name is Steve. Today is one of those overcast, rainy days here, and it's kind of been raining on and off, and it's supposed to do that all day long for us, but no problem. I'm in the mood for soup. I'm in the mood for some chicken noodle soup, not just regular chicken noodle soup, some smoked chicken noodle soup. And this should turn out really good for us. Now we're smoking a chicken, and the first thing we need to do is get some seasoning made. Let me show you what you're going to need. 1 tablespoon of celery salt, 2 teaspoons of ground pepper, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, ½ teaspoon of onion powder. And what I have here is some fresh chopped up thyme. This is probably a good ½ teaspoon, probably a heaping ½ teaspoon. So we'll just get that combined in there and get it all mixed up. And when you're done, it's going to look like that. Looks like my chimney's ready to dump. Today we're using some cowboy oak and hickory blend lump charcoal, along with some Kingsford. And I'm going to add some applewood in there. So what I got here is a 5.8 pound chicken, almost a 6-pound chicken, let's say. And what I'm going to do is flip it over. And first thing we're going to do is cut this backbone out of here. Just going to come right down the sides. I'm going to come in here, give that breastbone a score, and then I'm just going to flip it. Now you could totally do this spatchcock. All we're trying to do is smoke this chicken, so it's basically however you want to do it. I'm going right in half with it. Now let's clean it up. This side's actually not bad at all. Got a little hard fat right here. And there we go. Looks pretty good, my friends. Do it however you want to. And there you go, my friends. I don't fuss over it too much. Like I said, you could smoke this as a whole chicken. Could have spatchcocked it. I decided to go ahead and separate the breast and go that route today, just to make it kind of speed things up a little bit. But you do you, whatever works for you. Now, next thing we need to do is get this thing seasoned up. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get in here, and I'm actually going to peel this skin back, because we're not going to use the skin in our soup, but we want to flavor that meat. So I'm going to get in here with that seasoning we made, and I'm going to get some, and I'm going to work it in there. Like that. And then I'm going to come in here on this thigh and do the same thing. I'm just going to come in here. It's got a pocket already. So we're going to grab some of that seasoning, jab it in there. Just like that. And then we'll do the same thing over here. We'll come in, Separate that skin. Kind of working around in there. Nice. Come in here on this thigh. Do the same thing. Just like that. And then we'll hit the outside. Season up our wing and our leg. I'm not worried about flipping it over and doing the bottom side. Now I'm just going to let these hang out probably about another 5-10 minutes till I get that smoker where I want it. Then they're going on. It's time. Chicken is on. Let the fun begin. What are we smoking at today? 275. Got my timer here. I'm going to set it for 1 hour. And we'll get in and get our first look at that chicken and see how it's going. See you then. Just hit that 1 hour mark. And the smoker is 272. So we are right where we want to be. Let's get the lid off and see how that chicken looks. Definitely smelling good. Let's come in here and see where we're at here. 126. What I'm going to do is get in here and rotate. Let's get the lid back on. Chicken's starting to smell good at that 1 hour mark. 126 internal on there. Need to get to at least around 160 before I'm going to think about taking it off. I'm going to let this go another hour, and then we'll get in and get our second look on that. In the meantime, let's start assembling that soup. This should come together rather quickly for us. The only thing I still have to prep is my onions and my garlic, and they're going in this little chopper. So this is one onion that I just kind of chopped up into chunks. Get about half of it in there. Throw a couple of cloves of garlic in there too. And we'll chop it. And this will get it minced up really fine for us. At least most of it. Get the blade in there. Now we'll get the other half of that onion in there. And 2 more cloves of garlic. Looking really good. We'll get the rest of that onion in there. If they all didn't chop up real fine, that's fine. Not the end of the world. But it looks like this did pretty well. What I have here is 3 ribs of celery. I just kind of split the ribs and then chopped them into probably 1/4 inch chunks. Get those in there. It's going to add some good flavor. 3 carrots. And I did the same thing. I kind of chopped these in half lengthwise and then chopped them again into about quarter by half chunks. Get those in there. 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme leaves. I just stripped the leaves off the sprigs. 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper. And 2 bay leaves. And what I have here is 8 cups of chicken broth. Now, I do have some set aside in case we need a little more later, but we're going to start with the 8 cups. And you could use some fresh chicken stock, which would be the best, or some store-bought, but if you use the store-bought, just make sure that you get the lower sodium. And we'll get in here and get this kind of mixed around. And I'm just going to put a lid on that, and it's just going to hang out until our chicken is ready. Just hit that 2-hour mark. Let's get the lid off and get our second look. These are looking nice and golden. Let's get a temp. Ooh-wee, 155. 156. We are close, my friends. 2 hours in, chicken looking really good, smelling good. Giving it 15 more minutes, it's coming off, and the soup is going on. It's time, my friends. Let's get that chicken off. I have to admit, but man, I really do like the color on these. So I took off my top grate, and we're coming in right there on the second grate. Let's get the lid on. Get that centered a little more. There we go. Now the next thing I'm going to do is get down there and open that damper a little bit more, because now I want to get this into that 300 to 310 degrees. This chicken, it's going to sit here for about 30 minutes. Then I'll get in and shred the breast and the thighs off of both of those. The wings and the legs, hey, whoever wants them can have them. Little chef's treat, maybe. But in 30 minutes, I'll see you then. The chicken is shredded. It's time to get it on. So I shredded this at the 30-minute mark, and right now it's been about 45 minutes altogether. Let's get it on. First thing I'm going to do is just get in here and give this a stir. And here comes the meat. This is going to add a ton of flavor. Get that stirred up a little bit. Just like that. Chicken is in. Let the fun begin. I'm going to give this 1 hour, then we'll get the lid off and get a look at that. Now, if you like what I'm doing here at Heat of the Drum, hit that like and subscribe button. That'll help me out, help the channel out, and I appreciate anybody who does that. See you in an hour. It's been an hour. Let's get the lid off and give it a stir. Tell you what, it is smelling good. Get this nice and stirred. Let's get the lid back on. And that was our 1 hour check since we put that meat in. Starting to smell good around here. Going to give this another hour, and then we'll get in and get another look. See you then. It's been an hour. Let's get the lid off. Let's get in here. Look at this. Smells really good. We're going to give this another 30 minutes. Let's get the lid back on. It's been 30 minutes. Here we go. Gonna get in here and stir this. Oh, wow. Soup's looking good. Now the next thing we need to do is add some noodles. What I got here is Mueller's Hearty Homestyle Egg Noodles. Now this was a 12-ounce bag. I took 4 ounces out. That left me with 8 ounces. That's what's going in that soup. But first, we got to get those bay leaves out of there. And here they are. Here's one right here. And get that one out. And here's the other one right there. Let's get him out. Here's our 8 ounces of pasta. Let's get that in. Let's get that mixed in there. Oh yeah, we're on the home stretch, my friends. I'm going to give this about 8 minutes, and then we'll get in and give it a look. Oh yeah, let's get it stirred. All right, that was the halfway point for the noodles. We're going to give this 8 more minutes, and then we'll get in there and stir it again. It's been 8 minutes. Let's get in here and stir it. Oh, man. Going to add a little salt. Oh, yeah. Nice and hearty. It's time to eat. And I like pepper on mine, so I'm going to come in with some fresh cracked pepper. And I'll come in with a little bit of parsley. And this is slow smoked chicken noodle soup. Nothing left to do but get in here and get a bite. Now, if you want to speed this up, make the chicken the day before, make it the weekend before, whatever you want to do. I think it's always best to do it the day of. I just think it adds so much fresh, good flavor to the dish. But do what's ever convenient for you. Look at this. Let me get in here and get a bite. This is going to be nice and hearty. Oh, look at that. Oh, man, this is a mouthful. Mm. Mm. Oh, yeah. Really good. Remember, you can do this too. Till I see you again the next time on Heat of the Drum. Mm.